This is a Salco Rapid 106E electric stapler, powered on 115 volts AC power, has foot pedal activation. If you have any questions regarding this equipment, you can call and contact our sales department or visit us at boggsequipment.com. Or if it's an auction item, you can check the listing. So the table could be used either as a flatbed or for saddle stitching. It moves into a saddle stitching position, but for this video, I'm going to just do the flatbed stapling. And this is a Salco Rapid 106E electric stapler.